Let's continue with primitive data types. And in this video, we'll learn about Booleans. Imagine you have a magical switch with only two settings, on and off. In Java, we have a special data type called Boolean, which is just like that magical switch. A Boolean can only have two values, true or false. It's like asking a question, and answer can be either yes for true or no for false. Let's see how it looks in code. To create a Boolean variable in Java, we start by Boolean keyword, and let's say I'll name it as is raining equal to true. You can see either true or false. I'll make it as true. In this example, we created a Boolean named is raining and set it to true. This means that it's currently raining. If we change it to false, it means it's not raining. You can use Booleans in many situations. For example, in the game, you can use Boolean to check if the player has collected all the coins. So for example, Boolean, all coins collected. This is the name of the variable, and the value is false. If the user or the player collects all the coins, you can change it to true. So all coins equal to true. You can see that I changed this variable from false to true when the user and when the player collects all the coins. Booleans are so helpful for making decisions in your program. Later on, when we talk about conditional statements and we will see Booleans in more detail. So in summary, the Boolean data type in Java is like a magical switch that can only have two settings, on for true, false for off. You can use it to answer questions to make decisions in your program. It's a simple but powerful tool to control what your program does based on different situations.